Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites so changes stick. First, confirm your device model and OS version. Many font options vary by build. Next, make sure you have admin access or the device passcode, and optionally backup settings to avoid surprises. Now open Settings and go straight to Display or Accessibility. If you use a custom launcher, open its Appearance panel. Once done, you're ready for the first visible adjustments to battery icon and font size. You'll now change the actual sizes and visibility. In Display or Accessibility, drag the text/font size slider slowly. Small increments give better control, and some OSs support 0. 5 steps. Then check Status Bar or System UI Tuner to enable battery percentage or larger labels. If system settings don't allow per element scaling, use a reputable launcher with UI scaling or run an ADB command to modify system font scale. These methods let you enlarge the battery text without affecting every app. Finish by applying changes and observing the status bar across apps. Make sure the battery text is readable and not truncated. If alignment or overlap occurs, reboot first. Many UI changes need a restart to stabilize. Should problems persist, revert the font scale or remove the custom launcher and restore your backup. Keep screenshots to track what changed. If you used ADB, revoke elevated permissions and test the battery widget for stability. One key tip: always revert one step at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.